You don't have diamonds to buy your favorite skins, right? So I'll teach you how you'll get free diamonds. So this is the best app that you will get free money to buy skins. This is Tanjit's Go. The first way to get free Go Stars is to invite your friends. You'll get instant Go Stars per invited friends, and it will bigger. The second way to get Go Stars is to join on tournaments. You will get more coins or Go Stars here. Every day you'll get free coins here. To start the game, just click the quick play. You will go here instantly, and you can play now and get more coins. So how to redeem your Go Stars? First is click this. Click the gift box. Click the get prepaid load. Then enter your number here. Select your net worth. Choose the amount. Then click submit. So we're done, guys. You can see this message after you redeem. After that, you can go to Koda Shop and buy diamonds using your redeemed load. Choose the amount of diamonds you want to buy and we're done. You can use your load to pay this. And you can now buy your favorite skins. So download this app now in the description.
The dead exist in the past, and I must tend to the future.
First blood.
Everything must be exactly how I envisioned it. Must be taken.
Killing spree.
Don't even think about it. He'll come to me in chains.
I'm the Jade Slayer, master of pain, and the beast of vengeance. Prepare for the return of awesomeness.